Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your display, which will bring down your toggles and notifications, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, on one of the pages, we should have our screen recorder. For me, it's on the second page. Click on it. Once you see it, first time around, you will need to also allow access to record audio. And we're going to select get started, and here you get a window. Now this window will from now on appear every time you click on the toggle, and we have option to record system sound, microphone, and obviously if you don't want to record any sound, keep both of those off. And click start recording. As you can see, we get this dynamic island kind of look right there to show that it is recording. It also has touch inputs recorded as well. As you can see, there is a semi-transparent gray dot following my finger. It will be more pronounced when we actually play back the screen recorder. Anyway, next we're gonna open up any applications that you want to record, and once you open it up, it should be recorded. Now we do actually have right here a pop-up letting us know that whatever we try to record won't be recorded because this garbage, even though it comes provided on your device without your permission, you haven't installed it, nor have you logged in or agree to any terms of service or use or give it any kind of ability to do anything on your device, it will do something on your device, which you will see in a moment. So once you're done recording, we can stop this by clicking on this pop-up right here, select the square, and it will get saved to our Photos application. There we go. And if you have more content, obviously you will have another tab right here. And in the albums, which that would be the tab, you would find screenshots album. Now in screenshots you will find screenshots and screen recordings, but I only have screen recording right here, and you can now play it back. Now what you'll see right here is a straight up black screen when I open up Netflix, because Netflix decides to completely ignore my personal belongings and do whatever it wants on my device without my permission, just because it came pre-installed with the phone. So yeah, here you go, here's this thing. That's what you deserve. Anyway, now if you're planning to pirate content from Netflix by screen recording it, you're doing it wrong, I'm gonna say. And just for the people that want to know how to do it right, cloud stream on GitHub. You can thank me later. Anyway, so with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.